Hello food lovers, welcome back to my kitchen. If you are a huge fan of homemade pies, today you will find the secret of the best shortcrust pastry. In a medium bowl, sieve 450 grams all-purpose flour and sieve on top 100 grams icing sugar. Cut 250 grams unsalted butter into cubes and add them in the flour mixture. Rub in with your fingertips until the mixture resembles fine breadcrumbs. You can also use a blender to make the breadcrumbs if you'll find this technique easier. Add 2 egg yolks together with 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Start kneading the dough for about 5 minutes until the dough is formed. Wrap in clingfilm and put it into the fridge to rest for about half an hour. Meanwhile, you can prepare your favorite filling. I will share my favorite filling recipe in the next episodes. Moving back to the recipe, transfer the dough on a floured surface and roll it out to about 5 mm thickness. Put the pastry on the tart pan with the help of the rolling pin. Push it across with the rolling pin and remove the excess of pastry dough. By using a fork, poke the dough. Fill in the pastry case with baking paper and add baking beans to weigh it down. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now it's time to remove the beans together with the baking paper and cook the pastry for 5 minutes more. This technique is also called baking blind. Our shortcrust pastry is now ready to be filled in with your favorite filling. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. And if you did, don't forget to give a like and leave a comment. If you want to see more secrets in the oven recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!